shoot this can of soda right here with my M14, and later I shall shoot it with empty soda after I empty it. After I shoot it this time from, you can't really see it, it's dark out, but from across the pool. It's about 25 feet, so let's go. Okay, here's shot one. Yeah, we took a total of 5 shots, I think. Made a few dents in it, but definitely it didn't go through. So now we want to empty it out, and we'll do this again. Okay, so the can has now been emptied. We'll shoot it from the same distance. Okay. Test 2. Now I'll just do a close-up shot just because it's fun. Okay, let's see. Definitely made a bulge, you can hear that in there. That's a really big dent. So, I guess it's pretty good. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and comment.